back at it. Day 2. I'm sore. I usually don't do this kind of stuff. And I assume it'll be worse tomorrow. But it's a nice day out. And I guess it's time to get started. Just going to pick up where I left off last time. Going to pull the wheel off on this side so I can access the cooler lines and the starter. And that's where I'm going to start today. So, yeah, got to get motivated. Nice day. I want to get this done, wrapped up. I'm not sure I'm going to do it with the radiator yet. That's not coming until Monday, so if I can't confidently get it clean, then I will just wait until Monday and drive the Nova to work. So we'll see what happens. Keep you posted. Oh, you want to lower?
Yeah, real slow. Keep going. Okay, there, that's on it. Okay, let's pull back.
Oh, we're free.
Okay, stop there. It wants to go this way.
Does it?
Yeah. So let's take a look real quick, see if anything's hung up.
We're going to have the harness on the very top. I don't know if you can see it on your side, like right over here.
Yeah.
There's this, see this vacuum line right here?
Yeah.
There's a bolt right there
Uh-huh.
that's holding on the harness right there, I think.
Yeah, I can get the bolt pretty easy.
Is it harness? Wait.
Well,
is that harness part of it? Maybe, yeah, because the harness comes up right here.
Look up in here.
This is where the harness is right here.
Is that attached to the body? Or is it on
No, I
parts
think
on
it's attached to that spot on the transmission.
If it's not attached to anything else, we can just take it with it. Or is it?
Or we can lower it and then take it off once we get lower. Let's see, it's right up, it's on the top.
Let's
should
not,
have
drop,
a-
let's not drop the torque.
It's still stuck in there.
Yeah, looks good. The angle's good, keep from falling out. I think that's pretty dang clear. We just got to grip on this training clear line. That we'll have to remember when we put this on. It's got to go to the inside of the dipstick tube.
Gosh, this little knob right here scares me.
Well, let's go. Okay, stop there. Let's go down real slow. Good. Don't hear anything breaking.
I just had to clear that flange on the drive.
Gotta be careful back here because this actuator's hitting. Hold on, break it.
You were just above the lines right there.
Is the harness even touched? It's totally clear on that side, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh wait, flip that over. Oh, because it's going through that bracket right here.
So that's what's holding it still?
Yeah, right here on my hand.
Okay, I can get that off there. That is a 12.
I'm sticking the bolts back in there.
Okay.
I got all these ones partially started.
This is
so
one of the ones we're going to have to take out anyway to do that.
yeah,
That thing.
just swap it over. I think you're right.
Okay.
Are we going down there or let's go back?
Down. Okay. Down.
Is that clear?
Yep. Going down and back.
I'm running out of space for my hand.
So stop there. And we're clear of that. So it should be able to go straight down on this side.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Oh yeah, I can get it over here.
We can spin it all the way under that thing. Of course, it's going to land around the knob for lowering it. That helped. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, there you go.
We're there.
Oh,
I'm already hitting over here.
oh crap.
There might go. Transmission's out. Mess.
That's your Malibu. I just spilled that.
Okay, here they are, side by side. We just gotta swap some things over, like this gear selector sensor. Transfer cases have to swap over. And hey, look at this, Matt. This looks different. Look at this hump right here on this one. Is not on this one. That's a huge difference. Uh-oh. Okay, everything's swapped over. Transfer case is like a dirty turd on a clean diamond now. I went ahead and signed my transmission. This is old Nappy. And so clean. Okay, transmission is all mounted up, but it's not running yet, but that's fine. But let me just show you. Let me get my LED light. Ugh. I think I've crawled underneath here like 3,900 times this weekend, but there it is, all fresh and clean. Everything is hooked up except for the drive lines and the cooling lines because I want to clean those first. And I think I'm just going to wait till my new radiator gets here on Monday. Gosh, dude, shut up. So yeah. Gosh. Ugh. Shifter's back in. And yeah. So now we're just having beer time. Beer time for a job well done. Now we're going to take you outside and show you Matt's supercharger. And then I'll make sure and tell you where he lives with his address so that you can go rip it off from him.
There's a weak spot in the security alarm thing.
It's going to be really dark. Matt, what year's your 4Runner? 95, 96, 95? 4?
Yeah, the body's a 4. Everything else is a 4.
So it's a 94, but it's sitting on a 90-something truck frame.
92?
92 truck frame. We did a body swap on this years ago because his family grew. So, and it has a 2RZ swap. 3RZ, just kidding. I got 2RZ in the brain because that's what I had in Aiden's truck, but it's a 3RZ with a supercharger.
That's awesome. That's the way they said. Yeah, hold like 210 horsepower. Nice.
So my impression when I drove this, is that it felt like a V6 to me. It didn't feel like a 4-cylinder.
Can I paint this to look like Loch Ness Monster?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
It looks like a
Weirdo.
It's messy.
37-inch MTRs. 17-inch rims, level 8.
$12 for $100.
She's a real beaut, Clark.
Yeah. Ford.
It looks like a disco down there.
Turn your pods on the front too.
Makes your headlights look like nothing. Your headlights are like. What happens if you stare at that for a while?
I think you should stare at it right now.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, all the cool kids are doing it.
Stare up at 10 minutes and look away. And see what you see. It's pretty awesome.
Like nothing ever again.
I'm surprised you haven't upgraded these headlights yet.
Yeah, look how sickly those look. Look at that. That used to happen to my Toyota.
They're like yellow cancerous, like you haven't brushed your teeth in a long time.
Those are super
Smoker lenses.
Yeah.
You like my headlights?
Hey, pass me a cigarette.
These headlights are 24 years old.
They're more than that.
He says in 94, isn't it?
Oh yes, I guess. Oh, I can't do math.
Boy, is that
Grant does math.
Is that right though?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna close this up for tonight, and then I'm gonna go pee in the yard.
Nice.
Pee's hard, and then we're gonna drink some rum.
Almost feel warm in here.
Oh, it's so toasty.
Yeah.